Hello, I am Nuria Tomás and I am a lecturer from the Terrassa School of Optics and Optometry of the Universitat Politècnica de Catalunya in Barcelona. One of the goals of our university, of our optometry school, is to improve our syllabus in order to get a better education for our students. So we joined the project to Oculus project. That the main goal of the project was to harmonize the syllabus, the optometry syllabus around the world. We have been working all together on these projects, finding our gaps in our syllabus and interchanging experiences among all. And at the end, now we are at the end of the project, we have been able to change our syllabus that will start next year, improving the contents of the syllabus and also improving the way of teaching in order to have a more professional and more prepared optometry for our future. Thank you.